Hello students, welcome to OnlyCUET. So in this video, we're gonna solve another PYQ. This time it's gonna be, just a second guys. This time it's gonna be 10th June 2023, shift 3. Okay, so let's directly start and let's look at question number 1. Question number 1 talks about choose that set of numbers from the 4 alternative sets that is similar to the given set. Okay, we have to talk about the given set and we have to find which is the similar one to the set that is already given. Okay, kind of finding the odd one out because 1 would be similar and 3 would be odd. To see, in this, it's a very good relation. 2 plus 6 shows 8, 8 plus 5, 13. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So I have the sum of digits as 13, 14 and 15 respectively. Similarly, if I talk about our given options, option A, 3 plus 7 plus 3 gives me 10. 4 plus 7 plus 2 gives me 13. But I want 13, 14. So A is incorrect. Cancel that out. Go for option number B. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is again 10. Eliminated. 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 13. 4 plus 2 plus 8, that is 14. 3 plus 6 plus 1, that is again 10. I need 13, 14 and 15. So even third is eliminated. Let's look at option number 4. 373 is 13. 482, that is 14. 366, that is 15. So here I am getting the sum of digits as 13, 14 and 15 respectively as given in my options. So correct answer would be option D. Correct. Now look at the next one. Which of the following statements are true for rectangles? Which of the following statements are true for rectangles? All interior angles are, yes, all angles are 90 degree. A is correct. A is already there in all the options. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. This is something which is not correct. Diagonals bisect each other, that is there. Perpendicular is not very sure. Diagonals are equal, that is also correct. Opposite angles are supplementary. All angles are 90, so supplementary obviously is there. So ACD is correct. So option D would be the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Option D. Moving on to the next question. It talks about, we have given 4 vertices. There is a parallelogram A, B, C and D. Now class 9th, there is a theorem called midpoint theorem, which says parallelogram of a diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That is, all diagonals are bisecting each other. This bisecting and this is the center point. Correct? Now I can say midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD would be equal. Midpoint theorem. So midpoint of AC, finding the x vertex, because I have to find the x coordinate. A and C. 4 minus 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. Now equating this 1 to x, B and D now, minus 2 upon 2. That is 2 plus 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 4. I am getting that x coordinate as 4. So option D would be the correct answer, 4. Question number 7, talking about probability. Okay. Question number 7, it talks about probability. Let us understand what it says. 3 dice are thrown. The probability of getting a sum of numbers which is a perfect cube. Now we have to find which all options can give us the sum of numbers as a perfect cube. Which are perfect cubes? See, I am throwing the dice 3 times, so I can have maximum of 6, 6 and 6. That is 18 as the sum. Now the perfect cube which is less than 18 is only 2 cube, that is 8. Correct? So I have to find which all numbers gives me 8 as the sum. We'll start with 1. 1, 6, 1, 2, 5. 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1, 6, 1. 6 options. Now let's start with 2. 2, 1, 5, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 5, 1. 5 options. Start with 3. 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's start with 4 now. 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1. 5, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, and 6, 1, 1. These are the all options which give me sum as 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Total 21 outcomes are there which are in my favor. 21 are in favor out of 216. That is 7 upon 72. Now, given your options, none is correct because 1 by 4, 1 by 8, it has to be actually, this is showing 7 upon 12. I feel this is an incorrect or typing error. It should be 7 upon 72. Okay. Now, let's talk about question number 9. Question number 9 tells us how many times in a day hour hand and minute hand of a clock will coincide. Now see, this is something which we learn when we do the topic clock. In 24 hours, the hour and minute hand coincides 22 times or 11 times in 12 hours. How many times? 11 times in 12 hours or 22 times in total in a day. So correct answer would be option B. Now let us look at question number 10. It tells us a family has 5 members P, Q, R, S and T. I'll just zoom in a little. Now it says P weighs twice as much as Q. That is P weighs twice as much as Q. That is P is greater than Q. Q weighs 4.5 times as much as R. That is Q is greater than R. R weighs half as much as S. Yani S is greater than R. And S weighs half as much as T. That is this. Now T weighs less than P, but not this is okay. Now see, given this thing, there are 5 members and we know everyone is greater than R at least. So R is the one least because they have asked which of the following member of the family is the lightest in weight. Lightest would be R. So option C is the correct answer. Supposedly you're not able to understand it like this. Then what approach should I follow or what different approach should I follow? What we're going to be doing is, let the weight of R be X. I have assumed the weight of R be X. Now look at this. R weighs half as much as S. Or let us understand equation 2 first. Q weighs 4.5 times as much as R. R is X, so Q is 4.5X. And P weighs twice as much as Q. So P automatically turns out to be 9X. And R is already X. Now see, S weighs half as much as R weighs half as much as S. R weighs half, yani S is equal to 2X. Now T weighs S weighs half as much as T. So T turns out to be 4X. I have got everyone's weight in with respect to R. Now everyone is more than R. So correct answer is lightest is R. So C is the correct answer. Clear guys? I hope this much is clear. No confusion with this with respect to this. Moving on to question number 13th now. Question number 13th, what it says? It says the value of a car depreciated every year by 10%. What will be its value after 3 years if its present value is 6,25,000? Present value is 6,25,000. What will be its value after 3 years if it is being depreciated every year? Here we have to find the multiplying factor. That would be very easy. Depreciating by 10% means 0.9, again 0.9, again 0.9. Cube of 9 is 729. So multiplying it by 0.729, this value will give me the value at present after 3 years. So 6,25,000, I can say 625 multiplied by 729. 3 zeros and decimal got cancelled. Multiplying. 9 fives are 45. 5. 4. Now C. I have got unit digit to be 5. Looking at my options, none of them has 5 except option C. So without calculating, without anything, I'll just mark option C as correct because that is the only option with unit digit 5 and I need to have 5 in my unit digit because I got 5. So without solving, without anything, this is the correct answer. Correct? Now looking at question number 14, one of the good questions that was asked this year. The average of a positive number, its square, and 3 is 5. That is average of a positive number x plus x square plus 3 is equal to, average is 5, so total is 15. That is x plus x square is equal to 12. Now see, either you can solve this quadratic or this is very easy, hit and try. If I put x as 1, 1 plus 1 square is 1, so 2, but it is not LHS equal to RHS, so 1 is cancelled out. Let's try with 2. 2 plus 2 square, 2 plus 4 is 6. Again, LHS is not equal to RHS. Let's try with 3. 3 plus 3 square is 9. 3 plus 9, 12. LHS equal to RHS, so x is equal to 3. So I have to find the number. Number would be option B, 3. Correct? So what is the number? Option B. Looking at question number, supposedly you are not able to get it like this. Then we'll have to solve the quadratic. Let's solve. X square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Middle term split. X square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 4 minus 3 common, x plus 4. That is x minus 3, x plus 4. X is equal to 3 or minus 4. X is equal to 3 or minus 4. Minus 4 is not a possibility, so 3 is the correct one. 3. Clear? Any way you can do it. Now it says if Anil's salary is 20% less than that of Rama's salary be 100x. So Anil's salary would be 80x. Then by what percent is Rama's salary more than that of Anil? Now we have to find Rama's salary is how much percent more than that of Anil. So difference is 20x, but here the base would be 80x because we have to talk with respect to Anil's salary into 100. That is 1 upon 4, 25. So 25% is the correct answer. Option B. Correct answer is option B, 25%. Clear? Question number 16. This is Akshay is the son of Kapil. Akshay is the son of Kapil. Plus sign shows male member. Simar, Kapil's sister. Who is Simar? She is Kapil's sister. Has a son Montu. And a daughter Sarah. Pavan is the maternal uncle of Montu. Pavan is the maternal uncle of Montu. That means brother of Simar. So Pavan. Maternal uncle of Montu. Question is asked, how is Akshay related to Montu? How are they related? They both are cousins. Option D, cousin. Easy one, guys. Easily doable. Look at the next one. Question talks about reason and assertion. says, assertion has been given, forest cutting is desirable from the point of view of soil erosion. See, this is a very absurd statement because forest cutting is not desirable from the point of soil erosion, because forest cutting actually it increases soil erosion, which is not a good thing. And reason, cutting of forest reduces the interception of rainwater. That is correct. This statement is very much correct. So that means this statement is correct. This is incorrect. So option D is false, but R is true. So option D is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Option D. Clear? Now it says which term of the AP 3, 7, 11, 147 is its middle term. First, let us calculate 147 is what term of this AP? 3, 7, 11, so up to 147. Here A stands for 3 and common difference is 4. Putting that in the equation, we know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN minus A upon D plus 1 is equal to N. That is total number of terms in that AP. Now here AN is equal to 147. A is 3 minus 3. D is 4 plus 1 is equal to N. 147 minus 3 is 144. 144 upon 4 is 36. Plus 1 is equal to N. So 37 is equal to N. I have 37 terms in this AP. Now middle term would be 37 plus 1 upon 2. 38 upon 2 is 19. So there are 19th is the middle term of this AP which has been asked. So option B would be my correct answer. What will be my correct answer? Option B. Clear, guys? Moving on to the next one. If the average of this is 20, find average of this plus this plus this and 23. Let us find. Average is 20 and there are 7 terms, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 terms. Total turns out to be 140. 140 is equal to 15 plus 25 plus 19 plus 20 plus 18 plus X. Correct? That is 140 is equal to 40, 40, 60 is 23. 60, 79, 89, 99, 102, 120. 120 minus 3 is 117 plus X. That is 23 is equal to X. I got the value of X as 23. Putting those values here, 23 plus 20, X plus 26, that is 29. 23 double is 46 minus 1, 45, again 20. Correct? 20, 40, 80, 100. 108, 117, 120. Total turns out to be 120 divided by 4 values gives me 30. So average is 30. That has been asked, average of this. So option D is the correct answer. 30 is the correct average. Clear, guys? Next. Question number 22. It says, the ratio between the length and the breadth of a rectangle is 3:2. If area of the rectangle is 96 centimeters square, length of the rectangle is, what is the length of the rectangle? We have to find that. Now see, let this be 3x, this be 2x. Area is given as 96. That is 3x multiplied by 2x is equal to 96. That is 6x square is equal to 96. X square is equal to 16. X is equal to 4. I got the value of x as 4. What has been asked? Length of the rectangle. I assume that to be 3x. 3x, that is x is equal to 4. So 3 into 4, 12. Option B is the correct answer, 12 centimeter. Clear, guys? Next one. 24th. Just a second. Yes. 24th. A 180-meter long train crosses a man standing on the platform in 6 seconds. What is the speed of the train? What is the speed of the train? Okay. See, this is something which I have explained in my foundation classes. Whenever a train is crossing a man, a pillar, or a tree, or a pole, it crosses its own length. So that means in 180 meter, that is 180 meter is being crossed in 6 seconds. That is 30 meter is crossed in 1 second. That is the speed of the train. Speed of the train 30 meter per second, calculating into kilometer per hour. 30 into 18 upon 5. 6 into 18 is 108. That is 108 kilometer per hour is the speed of the train. Option B is the correct answer. This was an easy one. Question number 25, just ignore for a moment. Let us look at question number 27. Just give this a read once.